inside Claude Cowork, the operational logic. Let's just dive right into this explainer, shall we? We're going to completely demystify how you can turn AI from, just a chatty assistant in a browser into a full-on digital project manager living directly on your computer. If you've ever wondered how AI actually steps out of the cloud and interacts with your local environment to get the heavy lifting done, well, you are in the exact right place. I mean, we are all so used to AI being trapped in a browser tab, right? It's usually just this distant server where we ask a question, we get an answer, and then we have to manually copy and paste all that text into our actual work. It's tedious. But Cowork represents a massive paradigm shift. Because it runs directly on your local machine, it has the incredible capability to make real, tangible changes to your actual files. So instead of copying and pasting a Python script from a chat window, Cowork can just open your local Python file, rewrite the code, and fix that stubborn bug all by itself. It literally modifies your workspace. Now, obviously, handing over that kind of access brings up an immediate, pretty vital question about safety and control. But before we get into the weeds of how it works under the hood, it's absolutely crucial to note that you define the boundaries. You might be thinking, wait, do I really want an AI just roaming free through my entire hard drive? And the answer is absolutely not. No way. Co-op operates strictly on a permission basis. It only accesses the specific files that you explicitly choose to share with it. You are the one building a digital fence around its workspace. So if you want Claude to analyze a quarterly report, you literally just give it access to that specific Q3 folder, and that's it. The whole rest of your system, your personal files, your photos, your system settings, all of that remains totally invisible and completely off limits. And to take that security a critical step further, the system relies on a virtual machine, or a VM, to make sure your local environment stays completely secure while Claude is working. Anytime it needs to run code or execute shell commands, it doesn't do it out in the open on your main operating system. No, think of this VM as a completely isolated sandbox, a quarantine little space inside your computer's ecosystem. Claude can safely write, test, and run code in there without any risk of accidentally messing up your core system files. Honestly, it's just a brilliant way to harness all that raw power of local execution while keeping your computer perfectly pristine. Okay, so what does this actually look like in practice? Let's walk through the exact steps and see how this builds a complete task lifecycle. From the second you hit go, the system acts autonomously to deconstruct your project. Step 1. It thoroughly analyzes your request and maps out a strategic plan. Step 2. If the work is really complex, it automatically breaks the whole thing down into manageable little subtasks. Step 3. It runs any necessary codes safely inside that isolated VM sandbox we just talked about. Step 4. It coordinates multiple streams of work. And finally, step 5, it actually delivers the finished outputs directly back to you. Now, I want to look a little closer at that fourth step, because this brilliantly illustrates the true power of the system. Whenever it makes sense, Claude doesn't just do one thing at a time, finishing task A before moving to task B. It actually has the advanced capacity to manage several subtasks simultaneously. Imagine asking it to reformat 100 data tables. Instead of doing them sequentially, Claude could be compiling a dataset on one computational thread, while at the exact same time writing up the summary report on another. It's literally like having a brilliant project manager handing off different pieces of a massive project to different workers all at once. And then we get to the final step, which is how the whole shebang wraps up. After analyzing the prompt, making a plan, safely executing the code, and running all those parallel tasks, Cowork delivers the final completed outputs directly into your file system. This is the big payoff, folks. The crucial point here is that it completely saves you from that tedious, error-prone busy work of manually extracting and formatting code just to paste it back into your editor. The finalized work is handed right back to your digital desk, absolutely ready to go without you having to copy and paste a single thing. Now, I know handing over this much capability to an AI might sound like you're just giving up the wheel entirely, right? But that is not the case at all. Even though this system is insanely capable, it is never a black box. You retain absolute total oversight of what your digital project manager is doing every single step of the way. You maintain full visibility into the initial planning, how it generates those subtasks, the actions it's taking in the VM, and the progress of all those parallel work streams. You literally get to see exactly what Claude is thinking and doing in real time. And because you have that constant visibility, you're empowered with a really crucial choice. You have the total flexibility to jump in and grab the steering wheel when it matters. Like if you see the generated plan kind of drifting away from your original vision, you can just step in and course correct the workflow instantly. But on the flip side, if the plan looks absolutely spot on and everything is perfectly aligned with your goals, you can simply sit back, relax, and let the process run completely on its own. You're getting the ultimate leverage of autonomous execution, but it's backed entirely by the peace of mind of your own human oversight.